Welcome to Pop-Up Cantonese. I'm Brendan,
大家好，我係 Nicole。
and today we are here with Critical Verbs Lesson 2.
Yep，
In the last lesson, we covered to be,
係
to have,
有
and not to have.
冇係有冇
Now, our first verb today is to learn.
學
學
or to study.
學
學
Now, this is a sixth tone,
學
so I learn.
我學
我學
I learn Cantonese.
我學廣東話我學廣東話
Word for not or doesn't is,
嗯
yeah, and you can put that before a verb to make that verb, not verb.
唔學
So not is something you put before the verb. Now we're going to look at something that you actually put right after the verb.
緊
It puts this thing in the present progressive, right?
Yeah.
It changes it from I learn to I'm learning.
緊
緊
So I'm learning Cantonese.
我學緊廣東話。
我學緊廣東話。
我學緊廣東話
What about we're not learning Cantonese?
我哋唔係學緊廣東話
This is not simply saying 唔學緊.
Right, we don't say 唔學緊 we say 唔係學緊唔係學緊
This is the same for questions, as in, are you learning English?
你係唔係學緊英文？你係唔係學緊英文？
So 3 sentences side by side for comparison. We're learning Cantonese.
我哋學緊廣東話。
We're not learning Cantonese.
我哋唔係學緊廣東話。
Are we learning Cantonese?
我哋係唔係學緊廣東話？
Yes, we are.
係
So building on that, let's go into verb number 2. And that is to speak or to say.
講
講
講
Right, that's the second tone.
講
講
講
It has the same tonal shape as gan, which we just learned.
Yeah, so if we say I'm speaking would be 我講緊
Yeah, which really exercises your vocal cords.
True. 我講緊
Now, if we just wanted to say I speak, that would be
我講
I speak Cantonese.
我講廣東話。
That's unnatural.
Yeah, people can understand it. But actually, in Cantonese, as in other Chinese languages, if you talk about speaking a language, the way you say that is, I know how to speak it.
識講，識講，
To know how to do something is
識，識，
so I can speak Cantonese.
我識講廣東話，我識講廣東話。
On the other hand, if we're talking about learning how to do it, in that case we don't need sick.
No， 我學緊講廣東話，我學緊講廣東話。
What if we want to ask, do you know how to speak English?
你識唔識講英文？
And of course the answer may come back, I don't know how to speak English.
我唔識講英文，我唔識講英文。
Now our third verb today is listen.
聽，
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 Which can also mean to hear.
聽，
聽，
聽。
We actually covered it before in our critical phrases as part of I don't understand.
我聽唔明，我聽唔明。
Right. Now that literally means I hear,
我聽
not understand.
唔明，我聽唔明。
Now at this point we're getting far enough in our studies that we might want to know how to say I do understand.
我聽得明，得，我聽得明。
Yeah. So instead of that we're replacing it with
得，我聽唔明，我聽得明。
Yeah, don't worry too much about what this does for now. Just remember, as a phrase, I understand is
我聽得明，
you can speak Cantonese, I understand.
你可以講廣東話，我聽得明。你可以講廣東話，我聽得明。
Or, of course, the opposite. Please don't speak Cantonese, I don't understand.
唔該，唔好講廣東話，我聽唔明。唔該，唔好講廣東話，我聽唔明。
That takes us to the end of today's lesson. We've covered 4 critical verbs. To learn or to study,
學
to speak or to say,
講
to know how to do something,
識
to listen.
聽學講識聽。
We've covered a lot of ground in today's lesson, so if you have any questions or any comments,
Leave us the comments on popupcantonese.com
or write me an email at brendan@popupcantonese.com,
or write me at nicole@popupcantonese.com.
and we look forward to hearing from you.
下次見，
Thanks for listening.
bye。